Who brought the drugs in? It wasn't the man on the corner? Drugs were not being grown or manufactured in black neighborhoods. They were brought in by powerful forces far beyond the reach of the so-called street dealers. If the United States had the resources to send a man to the moon, surely they could figure out how heroin, cocaine, and crack were making their way into inner-city neighborhoods. The truth is, they knew. The question isn't how the drugs got there. It's who allowed it. Reports and investigations have revealed that large-scale drug trafficking was often linked to high-level figures, not just the person selling on the street corner. During the 1980s, for example, the Iran-Contra scandal exposed how the CIA was involved in facilitating drug trafficking in order to fund covert operations in Central America. But don't just take my word for it. Here's President Reagan himself addressing the nation on December 2, 1986, after the scandal broke.
Good afternoon. Since the outset of the controversy over our policy relating to Iran, I've done everything in my power to make all the facts concerning this matter known to the American people. I can appreciate why some of these things are difficult to comprehend, and you're entitled to have your questions answered. And that's why I've pledged to get to the bottom of this matter. And I have said earlier that I would welcome the appointment of an independent counsel to look into allegations of illegality in the sale of arms to Iran and the use of funds from these sales to assist the forces opposing the Sandinista government in Nicaragua.
While this was just one instance, it reflects a larger pattern where powerful actors were responsible for the entry of drugs into black communities. Heroin, cocaine, and later crack cocaine didn't just appear in black communities. They were placed there. Crack, the cheapest and most addictive version of cocaine, flooded the streets in the 1980s. Unlike powder cocaine, crack was affordable, sold in small quantities, and designed to hook users on first use. Its low price wasn't random. It was a tactic to spread addiction in already struggling communities. At the same time, marijuana, once cheap and widely available, suddenly vanished. Supply dried up, and when it returned, the price had doubled or tripled. Street dealers didn't control supply chains or ports, so who had the power to manipulate the market like that? It wasn't the people on the corner. Right? I know I am right. Meanwhile, local news stations like Channel 7 in Detroit gave nightly reports on where to find drugs. They named parks, street corners, and abandoned buildings, essentially giving roadmaps to the drug trade. Instead of stopping it, they publicized it. Addiction spread. The real question is, who allowed it and why?
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.